Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail, and which is from Delhi, and she is Lata. She said, I am a working lady and there has been two theft in my past 6 months. I really feel insecure. What can be the reason? Are there any remedy in Vastu to prevent robberies and these kind of happening?
Lata, houses which do not conform to Vastu norms are sometimes found in situations like theft, robbery, fire, and so on. I am letting you know some tips or some suggestions for you. Well, main door as well as other doors of the house signifies and signals about your being theft in future, and homeowner must take special care of the doors, like where the door location is, the size of the door, the number of the doors in the home or office or in a commercial place are the matter of concern, and anyhow they should be given attention in order to make your home safe or your office safe. Vastu explains some basic principles that belong to home door placement, size, and again the numbers, so that there is no risk of theft and ill involved. So turn your home according to Vastu set of rules to safeguard from ill risk of robbery, and some basic rules for them. I am letting you know about some tips. Do not place your valuables and cash or property papers or important documents in northwest corner or northwest area, as it enhances chances of robbery. Southeast cut or extended of a premises or a home or a property is prone to theft. It can be any, like commercial also, it can be home or any other property, any other premises is prone to theft. Southwest area of home should not be given to the servant or rented out, as it changes the tendency of the servants to commit robbery and possess life threat. And again with the tenant also, you are please do not give the southwest area on rent. Entrance of main door must be bigger than other doors of the home, house, office, and here total number of doors should be in even number, such as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12, but avoid 10 doors, because having 10 doors is not good, it is inauspicious. I repeat it again, that total number of doors should be in even number, such as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12, but avoid 10 doors at home or any office or any property, because having 10 doors is not auspicious, it is not good. The door should not be in a straight line. 3 doors in a straight line again is inauspicious, at the money comes and it goes. It can be through robbery also. Make sure there is no obstruction in the front or main entrance of your home or your office. Avoid slanted, circular or sliding gate at main door. Do not hang any evil picture, as it signals destruction. So Lata, I have given you many tips, many tips about this
not
problem.
only for Lata and for everyone. I think
Yes.
it's very important information.
Yes, it's very important information, just to take care about all those things, so that you can safeguard yourself, you can safeguard your home, you can
Exactly.
safeguard
Your money
and everything.
Everything,
Even
exactly.
life, rather than money is not that a problem, but yes, life again,
Of
it should
course.
not be life threatening.
I think, Lata, you should consider all the direction which is suggested by Dr. Batra, and definitely you will get the relief in your problem. And friends, if you have any problem regarding Vastu, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on these numbers, which is 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can visit our website, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also join the page on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address: Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers: 9560-423-423. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560-423-423. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.